In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in and access Acadience Math reports. First, navigate to acadiancelearning.net and enter your username and password. Your login information was sent to you in an email. Once you're logged in, check the top right-hand corner and make sure you're looking at Acadience Math. It will default to showing you Acadience Reading, and that's not what we're using acadiancelearning.net for. So we need to click on the drop-down menu and select Acadience Math. If at any time you can't see the reports you're looking for, double check that you are looking at Acadience Math. Once we're here, you can see you've got a variety of class and student reports that you can look at, and a variety of school and district reports. For each of the reports generated by the system, you will select your options, click Submit, and then it will generate as a PDF download. You also have the option of exporting your scores to an Excel spreadsheet. Further training on how to run reports is available under the Training Videos tab in the menu. There's a separate training video on running reports that may help you. If you have any questions about your acadiancelearning.net account, please contact us in the assessment department, and we'd be happy to help you navigate it.